Introduction to Shared Family Budgeting in YNAB.
YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a popular budgeting tool that makes it easy for families to manage finances collaboratively. Setting up a shared family budget in YNAB helps everyone stay on the same page, plan ahead, and track spending together. Let's walk through the steps to create and maintain a shared family budget using YNAB.
Getting started. Creating a YNAB account.
Begin by visiting the YNAB website or downloading the app. You'll need to create an account. Only one person needs to do this. Once the account is set up, you can invite family members to access the shared budget. Make sure everyone downloads the YNAB app or has access via a web browser.
Setting up your family budget.
Within your YNAB account, create a new budget. Give it a clear name, like Family Budget. Connect your family's bank accounts if you choose, or manually enter transactions. Add common budget categories such as groceries, housing, utilities, and entertainment to cover all family expenses.
Inviting family members.
To collaborate, invite family members to your YNAB budget. In the Manage Users area, send an email invitation to each person. They'll receive instructions to join the budget, allowing everyone to view, add, and update transactions as needed. Make sure each family member understands how to access and use the shared budget.
Managing and updating together.
Encourage all family members to log expenses as they happen, so the budget stays accurate. Hold short meetings to review spending, discuss adjustments, and set shared savings goals. Use YNAB's reports to see where money goes and make informed decisions together, keeping your family's financial plans on track.
Tips for successful family budgeting in YNAB.
Set clear expectations about who tracks which expenses. Communicate openly about financial goals and budgeting priorities. Use YNAB's mobile app for quick updates and regularly reconcile bank accounts for accuracy. Working together in YNAB builds transparency and helps your family reach financial goals more effectively.